How to turn on advanced chat privacy on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the chat where you want to turn on advanced chat privacy. After that, click on the top. After you've clicked on the top, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, scroll down and you'll find advanced chat privacy. Click on it. After you click on Advanced Chat Privacy, as you can see, you can simply click on Advanced Chat Privacy and turn it on. As chat exports will be disabled, messages won't be used for AI features, and media won't be automatically saved to device gallery. And this is how to turn on Advanced Chat Privacy on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.